Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sanjana. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a walkthrough of the 2023 planners from a brand called Supple Room. So thanks to all who requested for this video. And just a quick reminder, if you have any other planners that you want me to do a walkthrough on, then definitely leave it in the comments and I will get to it. So let's start off with this particular walkthrough. I think I did a walkthrough like of their planners last year as well. They look pretty good last year, and this year it's looking fine too. So here we have, this one is called Inner Peace is the New Success. It's really nice. I'm really liking the colors and just the aesthetics of this planner. Let me see if we can like reduce the screen size. I don't think so. Okay, let's just have a look at it. They have uploaded a video, and this is just a rough flip through. Even the insides look nice. The pastel shades look quite good, and each month looks like it's a different color, like slightly different colors, so that you will not get bored with it. And the daily pages look fine too, so it's a pretty fast flip through. Let's have a look at the images. Then freebies. First we have the freebies. One, you'll get gold foil index tab sheet. I think I prefer these kind of tabs over the tabs that are cut off from the planner pages, because this gives us the freedom to, you know, either add it or not add it. You're getting it as a freebie, so that's great. If you feel like the tabs are really gonna help, then you can put those tabs. If it doesn't, then you can skip it. But this is a good thing, and also the tabs aren't like dated, like yearly dated. So if you don't want to use it this year, you can save it for next year too. Or if you want to use it in another planner, you can do that as well if you're using multiple planners. So this is nice. I'm really liking the colors as well. I think it goes well with the planner theme. Like you see some of the colors here, and the inside pages as well. That's pretty cool. Then you have 18 karat gold plated bookmark. Okay, I'm doubtful about whether it is actually like gold plated or not, but the bookmarks look pretty, so that's nice. Then you have a set of 4 sticker pages, so there are some functional ones, quotes, decorative ones as well. Then you have one mini heart sticky note. This year, sorry, not this year, this week I created a planner spread. I did not show it to you guys on the video because there are a lot of walkthroughs and reviews that I need to do videos on, so I'm not doing my regular planner setup videos. I have like heart stickers and they look so cute, so I have no doubt that these sticky notes are gonna just look really cute in the planner. Then you have something called as planner bundle that you can buy. Here you have one mini A6 notebook. I love A6 notebooks. We received it as freebies last year, I think, with a lot of planners, and I just like them to do grocery lists and just have some regular meeting notes, as well as making a note of some household stuff. It's just so handy, and it's tiny, so it doesn't take up a lot of space, so that's nice. Then you're gonna get sticker book with 10 sheets of stickers. Then you have 10 leafy sticky notes. I love this particular sticky note. It is really nice. Then one set of page markers. You have a set of 12 A6 calendar cards. So it's almost like you're getting like a calendar free as well. You know, if you've bought the ink bucket combo either last year or the year before, not for 2022 or 2021, you would have got that art cards with the desk stand, right? You can use that desk stand to display these calendars, or you can use them as bookmarks, so that you have your monthly calendar to refer to at all times. Then you have one subtle pastel pen. I love how everything is so themed. You know, all of these freebies and along with the planner looks so nice as a package, so it would be a great gifting addition too. Then set of 4 beautiful quote cards. That's nice. You can use these as gift tags. Then here we go, we finally have the planner pages. The vision board, it's nice that they have colors. I prefer having a plain one so that I can create whatever I want to, because I feel colors help a lot in terms of how you look, how you feel when you're looking at the vision board. So I prefer that, but this is nice too if you want to create a really nice aesthetic one so that it's on the theme with the rest of the planners. I used to do that at some point in time, like before, but now I've become a little more scientific and mindful about how I do my vision board. So that's that. Then you have goal setting pages. So here you have 6 categories, and I like that the headers are quite small, so you can easily replace them, add a sticker over it, and replace them. Then you have on the right hand side, it says planning with purpose. So where am I now? Where do I want to reach? What steps do I take? Progress tracker. I like this too. You can keep coming back to this probably every quarter to just do mini like check-ins. Your quarterly review need not be an elaborated one. If you're just starting out, like follow these simple steps. These 4 are like really good. Follow these simple steps and do it as your quarterly review. Or if you want to do monthly check-ins here, you can do that as well. Then you have something called a self-reflection. Things I feel strongly about, I love doing. It's so good. I just like how nice, it's not too serious, and it can be some small things, so that's pretty good. Then my ideal daily routine. Let me know if you want to hear about the benefits of creating an ideal daily routine, or how do you use it after you create one. I'd be really interested to share about it, because I follow that. And if you didn't know, I also coach. I'm a mindset coach, so I work with people and we do the exercise of ideal daily routine. So let me know if you want to know more about that and how to use it and stuff. Then you have months at a glance. So here you can, like, I like using these pages either to mark like dates, some birthdays, anniversaries, and big picture planning stuff, which are like traveling and all that. Okay, August, you have this trip coming up, so something like that. Or you can like track your progress for monthly goals. Let's say not monthly goals, like your yearly goal. Let's say one of your focus is to start a YouTube channel. So probably you can add like the new ideas that you tried every single month. Or if your goal is to grow your Instagram account, or any other social media account, you can add the follower count. Or I don't really like doing that. I like celebrating milestones, but I feel focusing on numbers is going to hamper the process of me experience, like my whole experience. I love creating content, and I like to focus on more of like new ideas to try, or how many videos I've uploaded and all that, because it's in my control. So you can track all of that here. Then limitless possibilities, probably you can use this as a brainstorming for mind mapping. That's good. And you've got like illustrated monthly cover pages, so it's on both the page. I love this. It's nice to look at, and also it really looks nice on pictures. So if you're someone who shares your planner online on Instagram or any other platform, these kind of double page spreads look really, really pretty. Then you have a monthly calendar page, very subtle in terms of the colors and designs. A regular Monday to Sunday calendar. Then you have a sidebar as well, word of the month, to read, to watch, important dates. So this is cool. Then you have a monthly dashboard. Here, habit tracker. I love habit trackers that are in this monthly format. I came across a comment saying that some people do not prefer this because you'll have to write like every single date, for so many habits and on each month. You don't really have to do that. You can just, irrespective of the day of the week, you can just start off like 1, 2, 3. You can just go with that. That is what I do, at least, because obviously even I don't like writing so many dates. So I just start off with like, okay, this is 1, this is 2, irrespective of when the day of the week is, like, or when that particular falls during the week. So you have a mood tracker as well. Then this I go like on and off. Sometimes I track, sometimes I don't. Then here you have monthly intentions, priorities, monthly affirmations, focus, to-dos, notes. I like this. I think this is good. It's just giving me the essence of 2021 ink bucket planner. I love how simple things were at that point. Now there's just a lot more going on in that planner. Then this is how your weekly spreads look like from Monday to Sunday. Then you have a spot for weekly summary. You can do your little mini reflection here, or you can use it for notes. So this is cool. I like that it's plain. It's nice. This year there are just so many planners out there and everything looks good. Everything looks good. I'm just a little skeptical about the quality because some of you have mentioned regarding a few brands that the quality wasn't so good, even though the website information and stuff looked like that. So we need to be a little bit careful while we are placing orders, especially when we're trying new brands. Try to go through the reviews. If there's any review on the internet, whether it's on Amazon, YouTube, Instagram, a lot of people like share when they buy new planners. So just have look at research about the quality. In these walkthrough videos, it's great for me to talk about the layouts, the planner content, and the aesthetics and all of that. And for brands that I have used in the past, I can share my thoughts. But if it's something like what Ink Bucket did this year, the quality has definitely gone down from previous years. So you can't really gauge that. It's better to have a look at the reviews, see what people are saying, and make your decision based on that for quality. Other than quality, I can share my thoughts on like the pricing, the layouts, the like I mentioned, the aesthetics and all that. Then you have it looks like each month you'll get a brain dump or like notes page too, which is quite good. Then you have yearly reflections, so just a few prompts. That's nice. It's not complicated. I think it's great for beginners or even for students. I think this is good for students too, because it's a small planner, compact, very cute and nice, and it's got all the essential spreads that you need. I just want to see if I have missed any points. It is A5 size, so like I said, it's pretty compact. I think we went through all of these pages. Paper thickness is 100 GSM. I've also noticed that some brands say 100 GSM, but the paper quality is really not up to the mark, or it might be that within 100 GSM there are different compositions, so certain brands get the nicer ones and the others do not. That is something that I think like we will not know unless we have a planner, the actual planner with us. So if you choose the planner bundle, you will get all of those products that we went through. So let's see the pricing here, only for planner along with the freebies. So freebies, I'm assuming it is these tabs, one of the bookmarks, sticker pages or 4 sticker sheets, and then a sticky note. So this is 1099. I think the price is good. Taxes are included. Shipping, it says here, what I was saying is shipping is free on all of the prepaid orders. So 1099 is pretty good. Let's see, there are like different designs, but let's see what it costs with the planner bundle. So along with the planner bundle, it is 1499. I think if I'm gonna choose this planner, especially if I was a student or whether it's for any other purpose, right now my mind is just going around journaling and wellness, because those are the two planners that I haven't picked yet. So if I were to pick, I think I would pick the bundle, because you're getting a lot more products for 400 rupees extra. And these are really cute, especially the sticky note. The calendars are quite handy if you haven't gotten your desk calendar yet. You're getting a sticker book as well as this small notebook. Now let's quickly have a look at the different planner covers. I don't think it's this image. Where do we have? Okay, how do we go back to... Okay, here we go. Let's have a look at the different planner covers. Time is now... This is fine. It looks a lot more professional and Studios live life in full bloom. I like this. I love florals. So this looks nice and the color looks good too. It all begins with a small step. This is nice as well. And then love yourself and dream bigger. I really like this watercolor effect. If I have to rank this, I think the first on my list will be Live Life in Full Bloom, mainly because of the florals. Then it would be Love Yourself and Dream Bigger. After that, it would be The Inner Peace is the New Success. Then Time Is Now. Then my last priority would be It All Begins with a Small Step. I like this one, but I do not like these small hearts around that. So yeah, this is the review, and also it will be dispatched on the 30th of November. Oh, one more thing I want to mention is the Happy Wagon planners, they were supposed to ship. I remember when I was doing the walkthrough, it was mentioned ships in second week of October. Second week of November. Then after a few weeks, it said at the end of November. So I don't really know when exactly I would be receiving those planners, but if they're doing it at the end of November, even this brand is in line with that. I prefer having my planners a lot more in advance because it'll be nice to do reviews and for people to have some time to choose their planner after doing their research, like after looking at either my videos or a lot of other people do planner review videos. So getting everyone's many people's opinion, like from different perspectives, and having enough time for you guys to make a decision on that, I think that would be more preferable. Also, just for myself, I like to have the planner. I like to keep going through it every now and then to decide and to get an idea about how I could use each of the spreads so that it's serving my purpose. So yeah, but unfortunately most of the brands are launching pretty late this year. It happened last year too, and last year I was kind of okay with it because globally there were a lot of supply chain issues, so that people were not getting raw materials on time and all that. But this year I don't know what's wrong. I don't know if the issue is continuing or not. So that's a little bit tricky. But yeah, all that said, here is the walkthrough. I hope you liked watching this video. If these videos are helping, guys, please hit that like button and also subscribe if you haven't already. I upload videos almost every single day, and it's all tailored towards planner lovers. And very soon, probably from December onwards, I will start with the ink bucket planner setup videos and also other planners that I receive. As soon as I receive, I'm going to start off with the setup ones because this year I do not want to wait until January to set up my goals and all that. So yeah, this is the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. And yeah, guys, I will see you in my next one. Bye.